Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download a survey from SurveyMonkey. Now all you need to do first is go ahead and open up the survey that you want to go ahead and download. So there we go, I've clicked on this, and once this loads up, click here on Analyze Results. And from here we would get so many different options to go ahead and download our survey from SurveyMonkey. So let me go ahead and first mention that it is a paid feature to export your survey data in these file formats, so PDF, XLS, CSV, PowerPoint, or even SPSS format. So you just click here on Save As and then click on Export Files, and you can actually download your survey results. Now these are basically the file formats, and this is what the pop-up will look like, where you can go ahead and choose the different settings you can go ahead and do before you download. Then you just click on export and it will download in that file format that you chose. So that is how you can go ahead and download a survey from SurveyMonkey.